क्या कभी आपके साथ भी ऐसे होता है? जब भी कोई बोलता है इस जगह ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जाते हैं, वहीं जाने का मन करता है।
Hello everyone and welcome to episode 4 of पहाड़ों में घर हो. If you are like me and you are really not fond of hippie places, then this will be a perfect guide for you to explore Kasol. Now we initially planned to go to Kheer Ganga, but that plan was cancelled because there was a huge crowd that was heading towards Kheer Ganga, number one, and number two, हमारा friend Amar, उसके पापा माने नहीं, hence we had to cancel that plan. Now there were 2 consecutive weekends that we visited Kasol. The first weekend we usually did all the shopping, we visited Manikaran, everything was sorted, all the typical touristy things we did in the first week, but in the second week we actually wanted to explore the entire Parvati Valley where Kasol is situated. Hence, after talking to the locals there, they guided us for this unexplored trio, that is Kalga, Pulga and Talga. From Kasol we reached Barseni, which was approximately 30 minutes of drive. After reaching there we had 4 options. Number 1 was Tosh, number 2 was Kalga, which is a starting point for the trek for Kheer Ganga. Both the places were heavily crowded, hence we decided to go to Pulga and Talga. ये है हमारे ट्रैक गाइड रतन सिंह और छोटू. तो ऐसे मत समझिए कि हम छोटू बुला रहे, मतलब ऐसे वाला छोटू है कि गांव में छोटू वाला. ये हमको गाइड करा रहे, रास्ता दिखा रहे, ये हमारी ज़िंदगी का रास्ता भी दिखाते हैं. तो प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट राम रतन सिंह. आफ्टर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1.5 hour of walk and a small hike, we reached Pulga, which is approximately 3 kilometers away from Barseni. It was a very tiny yet beautiful and serene village filled with cafes, homestays and the calm vibe. We explored Fairy Forest, where people say कि वहाँ पे परियां आती है, but हमें कोई परियां नहीं दिखी. We also visited a lot of cafes and we booked a homestay called as Trimurti Homestay on 600 rupees per day. Typical हिमाचली घर की तरह है और मैं थोड़ा सा टूर दे देती हूँ. So basically ये रहा, ये 2 जो है ये हमारा बाथरूम्स हैं. ये है लॉबी एरिया, बेसिकली सिटिंग एरिया, जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रिटी है. ये झूला है जिसमें हम बैठ नहीं सकेंगे, क्योंकि अगर हम बैठेंगे तो शायद पूरा घर ही नीचे आ जाएगा. एंड द व्यू, गिटार है, सारा एस्थेटिक्स है. एंड द सिटिंग एरिया, और ये है हमारा रूम. 2 चेयर हैं सचने संवरने के लिए. वैसा ये है बेड, चार्जिंग पॉइंट्स भी हैं जिसकी टेंशन ज़्यादा हो रही थी. और ये है बेड. बस हो गया होम टूर. छोटी सी लाइट और बालकनी जो नहीं देख बैठे रहे, बता भी दिखा देती हूँ. बेसिकली बालकनी तो बाहर है, कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे एक दूसरा घर है, डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते किसी. इसकी हाइट में दिखा दूँ आपको. ये है आर्टिफिशियल और ये है रियल. Next day we decided to go to Talga, which was very close to Pulga. after an hour of walk and little bit of 20 minutes of hike, we reached Talga. Talga was also a very small village, yet very serene, a lot of fields and greenery we saw in Talga. And later we just crossed Kalga because there was a huge crowd. जब रास्ता हो पर आप तब भी शॉर्टकट लेना चाहो क्योंकि आप कुछ पागल लोगों के साथ आए हो, तो बेसिकली हमें यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ आना था, बट हम यहीं से नीचे उतर गए। अब यहाँ से वहाँ कैसे जाए? तो अब हमारे ट्रैक गाइड्स छोटू मोटू पतलू हमको बताएंगे। रीरूट करने के नतीजे वो चींटी की तरह दिख रहे, वो है हमारे दो दोस्त, वो रहे। Now when it comes to shopping in Kasol, Kasol is quite famous for shopping. Lot of people who come to Himachal, they go to Kasol and they prefer Kasol. Kasol is the it place for shopping. The reason is because there's a wide variety and wide range of shopping options. For example, from hippie clothes to the sweaters, everything you can get at a very affordable range, and you can also bargain there. Is it when it comes to shopping? Now when it comes to food, yes, we went to quite a few cafes, but the best place to eat will be German bakery, which you will find as soon as you enter the Kasol valley. Right opposite to the bakery, there's a chicken shop which my friends, non-vegetarian lovers, usually ate there. We went for 2 to 3 consecutive weekends, and all the 6 days or all the 4 days my friends ate at that particular place. So I would suggest these 2 places whenever you go to Kasol. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and see you in the next episode.